Hey guys, happy Thursday. You all did such a great job with your Young Arthur projects. You really impressed me, and I hope that you found my feedback useful. I'm going to be grading those today and tomorrow. Today we are going to move on. So we are on our course page for today, and we're going to take a look at our announcements. So these announcements are for today and tomorrow. Please make sure that you're watching the videos for the announcements every day. And we have 24 more days to go, you guys. I'm so excited about this. I am going to post the video I'm making right here. Your agenda for today. Today we're going to be wrapping up our traditional literature unit, and you're going to be taking a test in USA Test Prep. We have not used USA Test Prep in language arts this year, but I do know that you've used it in social studies, so it's something that's very familiar to you guys. Some reminders for you. These are all the same in case you want to go back and look at them, but I'll just skip over them for now. And then if you have any questions, go ahead and click here. It takes you to the discussion board. Any questions about the test today or tomorrow? You can also shoot me an email if you need to. So let's go ahead and look at our calendar for today. And we're going to click on Thursday. Okay, we're going to slide over to Thursday. So your test is going to be over all of the AKS standards that we've been covering. Here's a link for your announcements. So it says, please make sure that you're viewing the daily videos that I post in the announcements. They go over your announcements and they walk you through your assignment or assignments for the day. Number 2 is USA Test Prep. This is a test grade. You can reattempt the test at a later time if you are not satisfied with your score. I can tell how long it took you to take the test, and I can see if you just clicked through just to kind of preview it. And so if you email me and say, can I have another attempt? I'm going to tell you no. Okay, this is a test, so you have to make sure that you do your best the first time. Okay, and then right here, there's a link. It says click here to access your assessment in USA Test Prep. So this will take you to a Google Doc. And these are your instructions on how to walk through the process if you are not familiar with USA Test Prep. So number 1, you're going to click this link and it's going to take you to the member login page. Okay, let's see. So it's going to take you to this page. Okay, it should have this part filled out. It says Osborne Middle GA. Then you need to enter your username and your password and click log in as member. Okay, so if you happen to forget, your student login is your student number and your student password is the letter S plus your student ID number. Okay, so once you are logged in, you need to click the View by Class box, which is right here, and you need to select language arts. So I used a student's profile and I blacked out their name and all of that, but this person I have in first period. Okay, so make sure that it has my name and the correct period number. Then you're going to click on Traditional Literature Test. Okay. If this test does not pop up, here's the test code for you, and let me know if you have any questions, okay? So good luck to you guys, and I will be hearing from you soon, I'm sure, okay? All right, bye.